Yep.
Right. Hey guys, it's RC113. Unboxing the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 DXL brushless monster truck. Been saving up for this for quite a while now. Alrighty, here we go. Here it is. Right here. This is the Traxxas Link 2.4 gigahertz radio system. It's pretty good, but I'm gonna put my GT2 in it. Set that aside. Here's the car itself. That's a Traxxas bag of goodies right there. Looks like there's nothing else in here. Alright, here it is. Take the pins off. See, the body looks really nice on it. Looks like it's got more suspension. Looks pretty solid.
Is that a wheelie bar?
Yes, it's a wheelie bar. I want it to the high setting, like always. You see, right here, it's got the Traxxas Valenian 3500 kV brushless motor with 12-tooth pinion, and a Valenian VXL 3S ESC, which I probably will be upgrading to a Castle Mama Max Pro ESC. Yeah, there. And it does come with a Traxxas power cell, 7-cell nickel metal hydride battery, 3000 milliamps. It's not a powerhouse, but you know, it's included. It's pretty okay. And something I really like about it, right here, see that? New shock guards, or protects the shocks from damage, and actually bolts it on to the A-arms, so it makes it more durable. And we'll be upgrading to RPM parts that break whenever parts break on this. And it feels like the shocks have a good dampening rate, but they're pretty plush. It's okay. And instead of using the stock battery, I got a Sky LiPo 5000 milliamp 11.1 volt 3S LiPo. And looks like that's about it. Right. Oh, and I forgot. This is the Traxxas bag of goodies and parts. And nothing special here. You've probably seen a bunch of that stuff. Okay, see you guys. Watch more videos on RC113's network. And stay tuned for more videos. Okay, see you guys.